Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Mac OS is up to date and that you have enough disk space. This prevents install hiccups. Next, install Outlook from the App Store or Microsoft Download, then open it and choose Add Account. Enter your email and password when prompted, and follow any two-factor prompts. Once done, allow necessary permissions for calendar and contacts so Outlook can sync. Make sure you use the correct account type, Exchange, IMAP, or Microsoft 365, because that changes once your account is added. Dive into Outlook settings or preferences to tailor sync and view options. You should set mail days to sync and choose which folders to keep offline so storage stays controlled. Make the default account the one you use most for sending, and enable calendar and contacts sync to consolidate your schedule. Also configure notification styles and focused inbox based on whether you want priority filtering. These settings speed up daily use and reduce background data. You're now ready to use Outlook features. Create folders, set rules, schedule messages, and drag emails to calendars or tasks. When something breaks, start by checking network connectivity and Microsoft service status. Then re-enter your password or toggle account sync off and back on. If mail or calendar still won't sync, remove and re-add the account, and make sure app permissions are granted in Mac OS settings. As a last resort, export your data. Reset the Outlook profile, or reinstall the app to clear persistent corruption.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.